Hello guys, welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Suna AI, developed by Cortex AI, has indeed emerged as a significant and viral open source alternative to more established or proprietary AI agent platforms like Manus AI. To access it, go to your favorite browser. I'm now in Google Chrome. In here, search for Suna AI and enter. We have this option from Cortex AI. Just click on it. You are now inside here. I also have Manus AI open in right here. This is a breakdown of what Suna AI is, why it's gaining so much traction, and how it stands as a compelling alternative. Suna AI is an autonomous general purpose AI agent designed to understand natural language instructions and then autonomously plan and execute complex real world tasks. So it's an AI employee that can perform actions within a secure virtual environment, directly addressing user needs for research, data analysis, automation, and more. So I gave both Suna AI and Manus these tasks so that we can really narrow down their differences. So this is a scenario where you need to perform in-depth market research on a newly emerging tech niche, for instance, AI dictation tools, and then integrate that data directly into existing local workflow. And this is the special request, and I'll just type in here in Suna AI. Find the top 5 most popular by recent buzz or reviews AI powered dictation tools released in the last year. For each tool, extract its key features, pricing model, and a summary of user sentiment from online reviews. Compile this data into a structured CSV file. Finally, save this CSV file directly to a specific local directory on my machine, and if possible, trigger a custom local Python script to automatically process this new data for my internal dashboard. So I've now entered, and in both Manus and Suna AI, they're running in here. So, what makes Suna AI viral and an alternative to Manus AI? Suna's rapid adoption and its positioning as a powerful alternative to platforms like Manus AI can be attributed to several key factors. Some will be seen by this task, and some also we shall see from other reviews. First of all, Suna AI is truly open source. So this is Suna's defining characteristic and its biggest draw. It also has transparency and auditability. So the entire code base is publicly available on GitHub here. As you can see, this is a Cortex AI stroke Suna GitHub page. And this transparency allows anyone to inspect the code, understand its mechanisms, and audit it for security, bias, or efficiency. It also has customization and extensibility, and being open source means that developers can modify, extend, and adapt Suna's capabilities to their specific needs. This allows for deep integration with niche tools, custom APIs, or specialized workflows. It also has community driven development. So, an open source model fosters a vibrant community of contributors, and this collaborative environment accelerates development, bug fixes, and the addition of new features, often at a pace faster than a single company could achieve alone. So it's also cost effective and allows self hosting. So while Cortex may offer cloud hosted services, the critical advantage is the ability to self host sooner. This empowers users to run the agent on their own infrastructure, significantly reducing ongoing operational costs. Suna is also designed as a generalist agent, meaning it can break down high level multi step requests into smaller executable subtasks and then carry out these steps autonomously, as you can see as this task is being executed right here. It also operates with a secure isolated execution environment, so often a Docker container. Now, Suna has demonstrated strong capabilities in automating tasks highly relevant to professionals and businesses. First of all, market and competitor analysis and data processing and enrichment. It populates spreadsheets, processing information from various documents, and enhancing data sets. It's also a lead generator where it automatically gathers qualified leads from online platforms based on specific criteria. Content and SEO analysis, software development assistance, where it sets up development environments, installs dependencies, or generates codes. So from this task, finally, it's done after fast forwarding the Manus AI. But from this task I assigned them, this is what I found out. Manus AI took the longest time. It took roughly 30 minutes to do it, which was really pretty long, while Suna AI just took around 3 minutes and it was done. Also, Manus AI operates entirely within its cloud environment. So it cannot directly save the CSV file to a specific local directory on your computer. Just as you can see, it doesn't. You have to install, it will give you a link where you can just download, or you click on download here for it to now take you to your local directory. So it just presents CSV as an output within its web interface here, and now you can later go ahead and save the file to your desired local folder. You cannot also directly trigger a custom local Python script. You can just see it here. It's not like Suna AI. So to process the data with your script in Manus AI, you have to manually download the CSV, and you also manually move it to the current local folder, and you also need to manually run your Python script. Because Suna is self-hosted, it operates within your controlled environment. When you instruct it to save this CSV file directory to your specific local directory, it can literally do that. The file is written directly to the host's machine file system where Suna is running. Even more powerfully, if you have provided Suna with access to a predefined custom local Python script, you can see and instructed it to run it, then Suna can execute this script immediately after saving the CSV. This enables true seamless automation of an entire workflow, from research to internal reporting, all without manual interventions. And now this is what I really came out with as a comparative edge between Suna AI and Manus AI. First of all is the license model, where you have seen that Suna AI is fully open source, while Manus AI is proprietary and closed source. You can see even their plan here, where it's around $39 for the basic plan a month. You can imagine that amount. So also deployment is another comparative factor, where for Suna AI it's hybrid, where Cortex cloud service or self-hostable. But for Manus AI it's primarily cloud only service. Pricing, it's free for self-hosting in Suna AI, but you need subscription for Manus AI. Also transparency, where we have seen that Suna AI has complete code visibility, detailed execution logs, and it also gives you the thought process. But for the Manus AI, it's black box. You can see operations, less insight into internal planning, just some black box here. And customization is high in Suna AI, where code can be modified, new tools can also be added. But for Manus AI, it's limited because it's primarily via the API extensions and less core control. You can fully control for self-hosted instances in Suna AI, but data is handled by the provider's infrastructure in Manus AI. For community, we have seen that Suna AI has active GitHub community, which is a collaborative development community. But for Manus AI, it's only company provided support. And the viral appeal is this: Suna's AI rapid adoption isn't just about it being free, it's about empowering users with control, transparency, and adaptability. So Suna AI represents a significant step towards democratizing access to cutting edge AI automation. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment and share.